I'm Dudley Harris. I'd like to invite you to my studio open house, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., December 1st. On that day, all sales go to Texas Public Radio. This past year, I've been making many of my usual pieces, bowls for the kitchen and table mainly, but I've also been experimenting with some new forms too. Having my own glaze studio and gas kiln has given me more freedom to explore new directions. I'll be throwing on the wheel, and I'll be giving tours of the glaze studio and the kiln.